Hey, this is Katie with 123 Menagerie. Today we're going to take a look at how to make a simple cutout fox. Be sure to follow all the safety rules with scissors and glue and other materials. Here's what you're going to need: red and white paper for the fox, background paper, scissors, glue, and a washable marker. And here's what we'll cut: half of a large red circle, 2 large red triangles, 2 medium rectangles, 2 small red triangles, 1 medium white triangle, and 2 very small white triangles. Be sure to take a moment to outline all the pieces, add the toes and the eyes and the nose. Okay, let's assemble our fox. First the tail, then the body, then the white chest on the body. The legs are next, then the head, the red ears, and then the little white insides for the ears go on last. Be sure the artist labels it Fox, F-O-X, and signs a nice autograph before it goes up on the refrigerator. If you don't have colored paper, you can always use an old magazine and copy paper. You'll need the magazine, copy paper, scissors, glue, and a washable marker. Tear out pages with images that are the colors that you need and cut the shapes from them. Assemble the fox the same way that you did with the colored paper. Would you like to know more about red foxes? Felicity is 123 Menagerie's red fox, and she has her own page. You can link to it from here.